Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove professional account on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Then tap on profile icon and click on three line option. Then scroll down. Tap on creator tools and controls. Okay, then scroll down and click on switch account type and just tap on switch to personal account and switch to business account. Just tap another option and to remove professional account on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.